shout out to the cool cookie for first comment. First comments get shout outs. So yeah, let's get into this. I got a bike ride today, boy. It was great. 7 mile. Let's go. Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's Chillin' Potato Guy here. So, today I'm doing a nice vlog. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. As you see, I'm in a new spot today. But so what I'm doing today is it's like 10:30 right now. I'm gonna get a bike, going to play some basketball. I don't know if I'll be able to film it all, but I'll probably be able to get me getting the bike. That's gonna be cool. But yeah, so stay tuned. This is uphill. Huh?
We're Brandywine Ski Resorts, where Dad used to ski.
I don't know if you can see me, but we're turning around right here, so yeah, I can't really see the camera.
2.74, so I think this is where we turn around.
Alright, so we're turning around now.
Yep.
Turning around. Yeah. Whole family? There's a Family of Turtles vlog! Whoa, look at all the turtles! I wonder if we can see these.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I don't know if you can see that.
7.
Yeah, you can't see it. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, yeah, there's 7 turtles. My mom saw them.
Oh.
I gotta go catch up now. We just went for a 6 mile bike ride. I haven't been on a bike in 3 years.
We're now finished.
Yeah. Now we gotta go home. We gotta get some drinks. I gotta run later today. So yeah. Peace. Yo, thanks for watching. I had a great run, good bike ride. So yeah, thanks for watching. Happy Labor Day and peace. Let's go, bruh. Please stay tuned for my next video. It's gonna be lit, but yeah, let's go.